Hello guys! Happy Tuesday! And Ricky wants to say hi. Say hi, Ricky! Good job. Kami lang dalawa na Ricky sa bahay as usual. Si Ricky ang aking kasama sa araw-araw. Maaga ako babangon kanina kasi kailangan ko mag-edit ng video para tonight. Medyo hindi na ganun ka-late yung vlogs natin. Kasi nga nagpahinga tayo. And I'm feeling better. Hindi pa din as in sobrang... Hindi ko masasabing like magaling na ako kasi meron pa ding mga nararamdaman na kakaiba dyan sa parte ng ating muka. Dyan sa dalawang butas na yan. Pero I'm feeling way better than last week. Kakatapos ko lang i-edit yung vlog for tonight. So it's saving right now. Yan lang yung hinihintay ko. As soon as ma-save na siya, I'll upload it and I hope it makes it. It will make it. We have like ilang oras? 9 hours for it to upload. Kasi alas 9 yung upload ko. And ano lang, kaka-12 lang ng hapon. So, 48% na yung saving natin. Kapag ganitong tapos na ako mag-edit, naghihintay ako mag-save, ito yung pinaka-like pahinga ko. Kasi wala akong ibang magawa eh. Ayokong galawin yung editor para mag-focus lang siya sa saving. So, minsan ito yung time ko na mag-check ng Instagram messages, pero hindi ko siya nagagawa like all the time ha. Minsan lang kapag wala akong ginagawa, like kapag hindi ako nagvo-vlog, nag-check ako ng Instagram messages, nagre-reply ako sa inyo, pero kulang yung oras ko kasi wala naman akong maraming time para mag-check ng Instagram messages. Pero I do my best. Nare-replyan ko yung mga bagong dating bagong dating na Instagram messages. So, pasensya na sa iba na hindi ko nare-replyan kasi parang nalubog na sila doon. And minsan kapag nalubog na siya, nawawala siya. Lubog na lubog, grabe naman yung term ko. Pero 55% na siya, guys. After this, I will take a shower and then have lunch. Naglagay pala ako ng Mario Badescu na drying lotion kagabi. So, meron ako mga puti-puti dyan sa parte ng aking muka. Guys, tapos na ako maligo. Lunch na tayo, guys. Dito na yung aking rice. And ininit ko yung leftover namin kagabi. So, ito yung niluto nila, Ira. Sobrang sarap nito, promise. The best salmon na paksiwit. Kasi nagfo-focus siya sa aking monkey. Ito, nilagyan ko siya ng konting tubig. Sobrang konting-konti lang. Ayan, medyo masabaw na siya. Kasi hindi ko inubos yung binigay sa akin ni Kathy. Kasi marami. So, sabi ko bukas na lang yung iba kasi sayang naman kapag ininit ko silang lahat tapos hindi ko maubos. So, yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng konting tubig. And masarap pa din naman siya. Sobrang konting tubig lang. Yan. Kain tayo. Nandyan yung salmon na. Asan yung salmon? Ayan. Salmon yan. Tapos ito pa. Salmon. Asan? Ayan pa. Uy! Kalami na, ane. Kaon. Ay, habang kumakain ako, insert ko pala yung unboxing namin ni Dan nito. Itong package na to na-receive namin nung Friday. And in-unbox namin siya nung Friday. Kaya lang nung nag-edit ako, sobrang haba na nung Friday vlog. Nung in-announce ko na pupunta kami ng Korea. And sabi ko parang kailangan niya ng sarili niyang moments. So, i-insert ko yung clip na yon. Enjoy the unboxing. Okay guys, let's do an unboxing kasi nandito na si Dan. Naalala ko. Ha? Akala ko tapos na siya eh. Hindi pa pala. Gagawin lang ni Dan yung buhok niya tapos ready na siya. So open ko lang para pagdating niya, diretso na tayo. Uy, Tita Sexy, ginagamit ko na talaga to lagi ang Fat Max. Ang ganda niya. I like. Again, this is from Lynn. Galing siyang US. Thank you so much, grabe. Thank you so much for this. Alright, Dan's back. Danny boy is back.
The star of the show is back. I'm sorry I was gone. I had to work today.
Are you ready to open?
You reckon this is more for you than me?
This is from Lynn, from the US.
Thank you, Lynn, from the US.
Thank you, Lynn. Let's see if there's a card or anything. Oh. Clothes. Clothes, guys. Okay, first one. Ha! This is for you!
Why? Is it a medium? Yeah, that'll fit me.
That's Nike, babe! That looks good!
Yeah,
Uy, salamat!
Thank you.
That will fit?
I'm not sure. I have to try it on.
Yeah, do you want to try it on? Do you want to do a try on haul for them?
No, I'm all dressed. I've got a work function tonight, so I'm all...
Okay.
Hair's all done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Bago yung haircut niya. That's for you as well.
Another one.
Yes. Lucky guy.
Wow.
Glad I waited for you.
Look, it must be a baseball grapefruit league.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I reckon this is about the right size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is good for your running as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dry fit.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's really nice.
Thank you.
Nice quality as well.
Salamat. This looks small and feels small.
That's for me as well.
Extra small.
That's
That's nice. I like this color.
Yeah.
Ah! Kasya-kasya to sa akin. This will fit me. Oh, I like this color.
That will fit you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you.
Good choice.
so much.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, nice color. Very nice color. This is mine as well. Extra small. Ah, I like it. Ay!
New York City.
I like it. New York.
Oh, that's cool.
Gusto ko to.
That is cool. I really like that.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Ah, perfect.
Have a look at the back of it. Look, this must mean something.
Yeah. Run. New York stuff. Break barriers. Attention. Yeah.
It's
Staten
all-
Island.
yeah.
Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Manhattan. We went to Manhattan. Did you go to Queens?
Yeah, that's where the Filipino restaurant was.
Yeah, and then Brooklyn.
Yeah, went to Brooklyn. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for this. Ah, I'll wear this. Kasi,
Yeah, it's cool.
ano na, pa-summer na. Okay. What's this one? That's for you, my love.
Oh wow. I actually really like this color as well. It's a nice one.
Uy, thank you very much.
That's a good exercise.
That's
shirt.
really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that color bag.
Yeah. No,
That's my favorite one. That
yeah.
looks really good.
I like that one as well.
Ah, cool.
Very good quality as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. This one.
How come they sent this just to say thank you?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shit, they must not like our clothes, so or my clothes anyway. They're probably sick of my same green jumper in your thumbnails. I'm sick of it as well. That is like my bed jumper. And Raz, I come home, I just chuck my bed clothes, and she's filming. So if you notice her thumbnails, I'm always wearing the same stuff.
Like, explain.
Yeah, I'm like, do a different thumbnail. Like, I'm wearing the same stuff. They all look the same.
This is for me because it's extra small. Ano siya? It is a high-waisted shorts. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Maganda yung kulay. I can pair this with this or no, too bright. This white and that.
Yeah, I like that. They're cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh!
What's that?
Downy beads.
Oh, is that for your handbags?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're too cheap to buy your own, so people have to send them to you?
No, we don't have it here.
Okay.
Yeah. eBay is selling this for like $30.
Bloody hell.
And in the US, it's like $7, $8, $9, $10.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Ang bango nito. Ah! Oh my gosh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow.
That makes me so happy. And wow, we got stuff from It Cosmetics. Mascara at saka brow power. Thank you very much. Okay. I think that's for you, my love. Uy, thank you. This is a lot of clothes. Sobra.
Bloody hell, more Nike stuff.
Yeah, lahat Nike. Thank you. Ah, that's for me.
I reckon that might be you.
Oh, I like it, New York. Sorry.
Extra small.
Yeah.
It's yours.
Uy, I like this.
For me.
Uy, ang ganda.
That is cool.
Can you feel that?
Yeah, I was holding it
Feels
thinking it was mine.
really good.
Yeah.
Nike running. Uy, ang ganda nito. I don't really run, but I'll wear this. Ay, ang ganda nito. I
That's
like
cool.
this.
That's
yeah,
really nice.
very sporty looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it has a thumb hole as well.
Do you know what that's for?
Yeah, for your thumb.
Yes, alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Lynn, thank you so much. You didn't have to do it, but thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. How did you know this was coming?
She emailed me.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Does she have a YouTube channel? Or
I don't know. May YouTube channel ka ba? I'm gonna email her. If meron siyang YouTube channel, i-leave ko yung link niya sa description box.
We're going to... No, just kidding.
I told them already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going to Mexico.
We're going to
Italy. No, we're going to Korea, as Raz already told you.
We're going to Korea.
And I'm sure Raz is going to organise a get up at the last second, so she'll keep you posted.
Huh?
A meet-up.
No.
No? Okay. You normally do. You wait till the last second and then you tell me.
Do you want us to do a meetup?
You can if you want.
When? Do we have time?
Yeah, we probably do.
You sure?
Yeah, we probably do.
Well, we will keep you guys posted.
Whoever lives in Korea, I started looking on what to do in Korea and I'm struggling. What I think it is food and shopping. But if there's good things to see in Korea, please let us know.
But we will go to Seoul, guys. Seoul, Korea.
We'll be in Seoul, so anywhere in Seoul that's cool to see, let us know in the comments below. And if you live in Korea, comment below and Raz might do a meet. Might. We're already there for a few days.
Yeah, very short trip.
Very short trip. So.
Yep. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's good to go.
We're going to Korea. It's very like sudden as well. It wasn't like planned or anything like that. We just got invited and we're like, sure.
Yeah, thanks for the
let's
invite.
do it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, the oras na. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hala, nabuang na si Google. Hey Google. Ay, ni Gara. Kanina napaka-responsive niya. Ngayon na nagva-vlog ako, ayaw niya. Hey Google. Stop. Gara sa Google ay. Anyway. Nag-edit ako kanina. Now, naalala ko na kailangan ko palang itry yung ano namin. Yung washing machine namin. Kasi alam nyo ba, nakakaloka. When was that? Last week ata yun, na akala ko sobrang may nag-knock ng door namin na sobrang lakas talaga. As in, sobrang lakas. So, lumabas ako kasi lagi to naka-close tong door na to, diba? Kasi kapag naka-on yung heater, I wanna keep the heat dito sa area na to. Kasi kapag inopen ko yan, spread yung heat. So, parang hindi na siya makikip ng maayos. Anyway, I keep that closed. Tapos narinig ko tong sobrang lakas na dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug. As in, sobrang lakas talaga. Pag open ko lang door, I realized na yung washing machine pala, guys. And I actually took a video. Kaya lang na-delete ko yung video. And because like, full na yung ano ko, yung phone ko, kapag na-delete siya, permanently deleted na siya. Hindi siya wala akong like yung deleted na folder, wala ako nun. Sobrang lakas talaga, guys, to the point na lumabas ako ng bahay kasi akala ko sasabog yung washing machine. As in, sobrang dug-dug-dug-dug-dug, gumaganon siya kasi pala, yung washing machine, naglakad siya, besh, sa sobrang lakas ng vibration niya. Nag-move yung washing machine ng sobrang, like, na malayo talaga siya, guys. Palabas na talaga siya dun sa area niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Pero, binalik na kasi siya ni Dan. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo para ma-explain natin ang maayos. So, yung washing machine namin dyan, diba? Alam nyo ba, nag-move siya ng sobrang layo talaga, guys, na yung washing machine, umabot siya dito. Oh, promise talaga na kasi nag-vibrate siya. Bago lang kaya to. Ano, wala pa tong isang taon ata sa amin. Bago lang, kakabili lang namin sa kanya. And, nag-move talaga siya, nag-vibrate siya. Yung ingay na narinig ko kasi gumaganon siya, dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug-dug. Palabas! Ang sobrang ingay kasi ang ano kaya nito? Ang laki, tas ang bigat kaya. And, gumalaw yung bahay. Or yung area na to dito, gumalaw. Tapos yan, filter yan ng aircon. Na yan, medyo natumba yan or na-move yan. Parang na-move ata dun banda. Basta, like, as in, sobrang lakas talaga niya. Akala ko talaga sasabog siya. So, lumabas ako ng bahay. Nakaloka na wala yung video. Pero, yan, nag-move siya. Anyway, binalik na siya ni Dan. Hindi namin sana siya gagamitin. Tinawagan namin yung kung saan namin siya binili. And meron kaming warranty na 2 years dito. Yung schedule ng mga tao para i-check siya is sa Friday pa. Ginamit namin siya nung Sabado kasi sabi ng mama ni Dan, may time na tumawag sa akin yung mama ni Dan, tapos nakwento ko sa kanya yung yun nga, nag-move yung washing machine. Sabi niya, yung washing machine daw nila, minsan ginagawa daw yan, parang it goes for a walk daw. Nakakaloka. Kailangan mo lang daw i-balance ulit. So, sabi ko, itry muna natin kasi matagal pa nangyari kaya siya last week. Before Friday last week. Tapos yung schedule na pag-check sa kanya is this Friday pa. So more than a week yung paghihintay. May mga labada kaya kami. So tinry namin siya nung Sabado. Hindi na naman hindi man niya ginawa, hindi man siya naglakad. Dalawang loads yung ginawa ko nung Sabado. So, sabi ni Dan, try ulit natin ngayon. And kapag hindi niya ginawa ulit, hindi na lang namin papupuntahin yung yung gagawa nito. Kasi nga, baka lang talaga, it just went for a walk. Nakakaloka yung naglalakad yung washing machine mag-isa. Sobrang lakas niya talaga. First time ko na-experience yun. Akala ko talaga sasabog. Sabi ng mama ni Dan, hindi yan sasabog. Kasi parang dito daw sa Australia, most houses nakaset up na kapag may mga circuit failure or anything like that, automatic na magpa-power off. Hindi ko alam kung sa ibang bahay, pero yung bahay namin, yung bahay nila, automatic na magpa-power off daw yung like buong kuryente para walang sabugang mangyayari. Kasi lumabas talaga ako ng bahay. Tapos, parang pinakita ko ata sa kanya yung video. Anyway, yun, nakakaloka kasi yung video na-delete. Anyway, ang haba ng story time ko, yun lang, maglo-laundry lang ako. Kwento ko lang sa inyo ang nangyari. Hindi kasi ako nag-vlog noon, kasi yun yung time na nagpahinga ako, diba? Akala ko talaga may taong nag-knock ng door na sobrang lakas. Pero nung pag-open ko na ng door, as in, mas lalo pa siyang lumakas, and na-realize ko ito, uy, nakakatakot yung beshi. And sana hindi niya ulit gawin kasi nakakatakot, ang lakas-lakas. Guys, quick update, hindi ko inaasahan na ganito magiging kabilis yung update ko about sa Korean visa kasi nag-apply ako nung Friday, ililive ko yung link ng video dito sa card, sa taas. Kasabi nila na 7 working days daw. Pero today, I received a text message from Australia Post, yung ginamit ko pag-send sa kanila nung passport and other documents ko. Meron kasi dun return package din na meron ding tracking number and all that kasi yung ginamit ko Platinum Express, yung pinaka-express talaga sa lahat. Yung Australia Post texted me and said, your delivery with the tracking number is on the way. So, chinek ko yung tracking number kasi baka namang ibang package to. Same siya ng tracking number ng return package na binigay ko sa Korean Embassy. And then, a couple minutes later, I got a message from Korean Embassy. Sabi, the Korean Embassy in Canberra would like to inform you that your visa has been granted and your passport has been sent back to you. You can track the delivery status with your tracking number. Thank you. One business day lang yun, guys. Kasi kahapon nila na-receive yung package ko. They received it in the morning. Maybe like took care of it right away, granted it, and sent it back to me. So I will receive my passport with a visa bukas. Oh my gosh, Korean Embassy in Canberra. Very, very good. Thank you very much. Now I can be really excited kasi si Dan excited na siya sa trip. Ako hindi pa. Sabi ko, wag muna. Kasi naka-experience na kaya ako noon na deny yung visa. Alam mo yun. Though, like, confident ako na ma-approve siya. Pero hindi pa din tayo sigurado unless, like, natanggap ko na talaga siya. Or, like, naka-receive ako ng something saying it's granted, like now. And it's granted. So, I can start watching Korea hauls and stuff like that. Kasi hindi pa ako nanonood eh. Kasi nga, hindi pa ako sure. Pero now, sure na ako. Anyway, gusto ko lang ibalita sa inyo. Kasi na-receive ko yung text ngayon lang talaga. Anyway, tapusin ko lang ito yung na-edit ko, guys. And then, pagdating ni Dan, meron tayong magandang balita para sa kanya. Guys, ito yung dinner ko. Ano siya? Skinless longganisa. Pampanga ata ito na longganisa. Wait, tingnan natin. Skinless, yeah. Pampanga's homemade skinless longganisa. Nilagyan ko siya ng tubig. Ganyan pala pagluto ng longganisa. Hindi pala prito. Lagyan siya ng tubig. Tapos mamaya mawawala yung tubig. And then, may iwan yung parang may sugar kasi ito, diba? Dinner time! Longganisa. And ito yung sauce ko ng longganisa. Toyo mansi na may chili flakes. Si Danny Boy tatakbo. Nakahubad siya ngayon. So, hindi natin siya mapapakita. Late na kasi, guys. Anong oras na? 7:15 na. Ngayon lang ako kakain.
Okay, close that. I've got to work tomorrow. Let me...
Hey, Gara, I thought you wanted to talk. Eh? You wanted to talk to the people.
I was sleeping. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning.
Over.
2 a.m.
Wala pa, guys.
It's 2 a.m.
My video's not even... Oh, it's 9! My video's up.
2 a.m.
Guys, I have this mask on my face. Ito yung Teamy na detox mask. You look really good there, babe.
Thank you.
You lost weight already. He's been running for what? How many days straight now? Well, yesterday.
Nah, the week I've had 4 days of bad food. Yeah.
Ang kapti na ng mukha ko. Dry na yung mask. That's it for our vlog, guys. No, because I actually inserted here our unboxing.
When do we unbox?
The one that we unboxed on Friday, the package from Lynn.
Ah, very
Yeah.
nice.
Thanks, Lynn.
Thank you, Lynn.
That's it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys bukas.
Bukas.
Bukas, guys, ha? Bukas, ha? Say bukas, ha?
Good night, everyone.
Good night, guys.
Good
Bye. Be good. Mwah. Bukas. You look good there. Yeah.